Well, hey guys, excited for midweek session 1 to kick off this Wednesday. And before we get there, I just wanted to orient you a little bit on the latest version of our participant guide for this study. Christy just does a fabulous job of really putting together a great resource for us to use as leaders. So I wanted to orient you real quick to what's in here. When you open it up, it has a QR code that will take you right to the study that we're doing on Right Now Media. So that's an easy way. If you wanted to watch it on your phone, you could scan that, go watch session 1 or whatever session you want to watch beforehand from the Francis Chan study. When you flip a couple more pages over, this page 5 and 6 gets us into the general format for each of our discussion group times. And, it kind of will go over the fact that we are going to have a little bit of live teaching every week to go with the video teaching. So it kind of explains that. One new thing that we really haven't had before is this particular study has kind of what's called a go deeper section, where there might be some things that Francis will touch on, but if you want to dig deeper into that, we have all those collected at a website that you can scan this QR code right here where it has go deeper, and it'll take you right to that website. So in fact, I've got it pulled up here. When you scan that, you go to this landing page which says go deeper, and then it has whatever week you want to go look at. So if you just did week 1 later this week and you want to dig more into that, you could go week 1, click on that link, and then it takes you to a 2-page thing where it digs more into the Lord's Supper if you want to learn more about that. The Greek word koinonia, where we really get the idea of fellowship, it digs into that more, and then a little more insight into Judas's betrayal, and then a little more about Peter. So that's just an example of another resource that if you want to study up more on it as a leader, or if there's someone in your group that wants to just dig deeper and keep learning and growing, that will be something they can use week by week. That's available to them in the Go Deeper section. And then for you as a leader, we just have some of the graphics and visuals and teaching aids that we use in our small group leader workshop. Those are put in here about our group values and 3 circles and things like that. So it's just nice to have all those here if you want to refer to any of those or be reminded of those as you're trying to help facilitate a great group experience. That is in there as well. And other than that, it's just kind of our normal thing. It kind of lays out session goals, and it's got all your questions laid out there for you. And also built in for you is a place if you want to record prayer requests. You can write those down right here, and that's a part of each and every session. It has kind of those prayer request spaces built in. So this is just a great resource, and I think that I love that even the participants get that. So if they want to dig in more on their own, they have this, and hopefully that helps you. And again, if you have further questions about it, we are always here ready to help answer those questions.